Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elster for your tax return. First, you will need to register for an Elster account. This process typically involves creating a user account and selecting a secure login method, like a certificate file or a personal ID. Elster allows you to submit your tax declarations digitally, making the entire process more efficient and convenient. It is the official online portal for German tax authorities, ensuring secure communication. Once logged in, you can begin entering your tax information. Navigate through the Elster portal to locate the appropriate tax forms for your situation. Carefully input all your income, expenses, and other relevant financial details into the designated fields. Elster often offers a pre-filled data service, which can save you significant time and help ensure accuracy by automatically importing some of your information. Double-check every entry. Before final submission, it is crucial to thoroughly review your entire tax declaration. Take your time to check all entered data for any potential errors or omissions. Ensure that every required field has been completed accurately. Once you are confident in your entries, you will electronically sign your declaration using your chosen login method. Finally, click the Submit button to send your completed tax return to the tax authorities. After successfully submitting your tax return, you will receive a confirmation message within Elster. You can then track the processing status of your declaration directly through the portal, keeping you informed every step of the way. Should you have any further questions or require assistance, Elster provides various help resources, including frequently asked questions and contact options. This ensures you have support throughout the entire tax return process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.